In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change search settings in DuckDuckGo. We'll focus on getting to the right place and customizing how your results look, so your searches feel natural, readable, and easy on the eyes. First, open your browser and head to duckduckgo.com/settings. If you're already on the DuckDuckGo homepage, you can also get there by selecting the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the corner, and choosing Settings. Both routes take you to the same settings area. If you see a page labeled Private Search with a link to open DuckDuckGo search settings, go ahead and open that so you're working with the search appearance options. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Look and Feel. This is where you control the appearance of your search pages. Think of it as your workspace setup. Tuning the look now makes every search more comfortable later. Start with the theme and colors. Here you can switch between light and dark modes, or select a theme that better suits your screen and lighting. Dark themes can reduce eye strain in low light, while lighter themes can feel crisp and clean during the day. Choose what feels right for you, knowing you can always come back and tweak it. Next, adjust the font size and type. This directly affects how readable your results are. If you prefer larger text for easier scanning, bump the size up. If you like a more compact view to fit more information on the page at once, try a smaller size. You can also select a font style that you find comfortable. A clean, simple typeface usually works best for long sessions of reading results. Then review the result layout options. This controls how densely information is displayed on the results page. A more compact layout shows more results at a glance, which is great if you're comparing many sources quickly. A more spacious layout gives each result extra breathing room, making it easier to digest the title, snippet, and link without visual clutter. Pick the layout that matches how you browse. As you make adjustments, you'll see the changes take effect within the page, so you can find your ideal combination without guesswork. If something doesn't look right, simply switch back and try another option until it feels comfortable. That's all you need to tailor DuckDuckGo's look and feel to your preferences. Once you're happy with your choices, return to your search results and enjoy a cleaner, more personalized experience every time you look something up.